Hello, my name is Megan Unger. This is my introduction for EDS 703. I currently teach kindergarten at Wheaton Elementary School. Wheaton is part of the Florence City School System. I am currently the kindergarten academic leader. I love what I do, and I do not have any plans to leave the classroom anytime soon. It makes it all worthwhile when I have a struggling child finally understand something. My previous positions. Before I came to Florence, I taught kindergarten at Corinth Elementary School in Corinth, Mississippi. I taught there for 4 years before returning to Florence. I received my bachelor's degree from Athens State University in 2009 in elementary education and my master's degree from the University of Phoenix in 2011 in curriculum and instruction. I am currently working on my EDS at the University of North Alabama in elementary education. When I have finished with this degree, I plan to start working on becoming nationally board certified. I have been married for 14 years and we have 2 beautiful children. Bryant is 11 and in the 6th grade at Hibbett Middle School, and Libby is 5 and just started kindergarten with me at Wheaton. Bryant loves to play video games with his friends, and Libby loves to dance and sing. We love to go to the beach. The kids love to stay at the pool, but I love to sit on the beach with a good book in my hand and listen to the waves. We also took our kids to Disney World for the first time last year, and they loved it. What I love to do in my free time is read and paint and run. I ran in my first half marathon last October. I would like to complete a whole marathon one day. Thank you.